I'm Caleb.
And I'm Zach. And this is Take 5 working for you.
What's your biggest fear?
Unicorns. What is 9,017 divided by 14?
I don't even know. I don't know either.
Is water wet?
Yes?
No. You're sure about that?
Oh, really? Nothing?
What's 7,328 divided by 7?
Ha!
What's your favorite color?
Pink.
Ha!
You're not fun.
Typics of a squirrel.
It likes climbing.
What's your favorite type of a platypus? What's 1,338 divided by 8?
What are the names of the most popular 27 stars?
I don't know.
What's your favorite kind of platypus? What's the scientifics of a squirrel?
Oh, I have no idea. Same, I have no idea.
Oops, save the turtles.
Hello, this is Mr. Martin, and
I'm Mr. Cheesesteak, and oop!
we need to save the turtles.
Well,
Hashtag
save the turtles.
And notice the metal straw.
These are my Crocs.
These
Right there.
are my Birkenstocks.
Oversized t-shirt, looking really good.
In the house.
And I've got my pearl necklace. It's super tight.
This is my puka shell necklace. Puka.
Puka skill. Yeah. I don't know, is that ocean sky or would you like pink?
Or how about if I give you a coral? I'll take ocean sky.
Okay, ocean sky and you give me coral. Such a beach theme. All right, so you ready to go make a TikTok?
Let's make a TikTok.
Let's go make a TikTok.
Remember the pep assembly?
Let's go interview the staff.
What's the funnest part about your job?
The most fun part of my job is having kids come in and look for a book and we find it in the library.
What's the hardest part about your job?
I think the hardest part about being a teacher is understanding middle schoolers are going through a lot of different things emotionally and socially, but also we still have to maintain the expectation of learning.
I would say every day trying to figure out how many children are going to eat what, because one week they'll eat 500 chicken nuggets and the next week all of a sudden they want 50 PB&Js.
Making sure that we have enough of what the kids want that week.
The hardest part about my job is being away from my kids on the weekend.
I think just balancing kind of your life outside of school with grading and lesson planning and things like that. And Colton Hawkinson.
Without a doubt, supervising the middle school section at the football games.
Do you like pig noises?
Heck yeah.
What's your favorite part about 8th grade?
Sports, I guess.
Sports.
What are you doing?
Your favorite part about 6th grade?
Lunch?
Recess.
My favorite part about 7th grade would probably be the teachers and the kids. What are you doing?
I like teaching 7th grade. I don't even know why. I just got a pig honking at me right now.
Favorite part about 7th?
Working with the students. Yeah.
Did you just teach him to go?
Do you like that pig?
Oh my goodness.
She can't. That was 5 things
In less than 5 minutes.
Take 5.